Hi there. I want to share a little snippet of my nighttime skincare routine. This is the Detox and Restore Hydrating Night Cream. This works wonders while we sleep. Now you can use this as part of your existing skincare routine. You can use it part of the Norwex skincare routine, or if you like things to be simple, you can use this by itself. Now, if you want me to share my complete nighttime skincare routine, which is more like a ritual, comment below nighttime routine and I will paste it and tag you. So let's talk about this stuff and why it's pretty amazing in my book. So it has this awesome ingredient called horehound. Now, horehound is a very powerful herb. It has a rich history in skincare and is really one of the star ingredients in this. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Horehound also helps reduce redness. It soothes irritated skin and it protects us against skin infections. But that's not all. And the reason why I love it in a nighttime product is because it supports tissue repair, making it perfect for healing our skin and rejuvenating it while we sleep. The Hydrating Night Cream is really carefully formulated. It has an awesome blend of Nordic antioxidants, adaptogenic mushrooms, and powerful horehound extract that I mentioned, also known as CityStem on the ingredients list. So this blend really does a great job detoxifying our skin from all the environmental stuff, the pollutants. It restores a natural glow and vitality. When I wake up every morning, I can tell that I've used this product. So the adaptogenic mushrooms play a big role in that because they have repairing strengths. They're very powerful skincare ingredients that protect, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. So here's how adaptogenic mushrooms work. Number one is hydration and moisturization. That's coming from the Tremella mushroom. It's known as natural hyaluronic acid. It can actually hold up to 500 times its weight in water, keeping the skin deeply hydrated, plump, very supple, and that helps to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles. Now, for anti-aging benefits, we have Reishi and Chaga mushrooms in here that are rich in antioxidants. They neutralize the free radicals, which improves the skin's elasticity, reducing wrinkles and promoting a very youthful complexion. For stress reduction in the skin and overall calmness, adaptogenic mushrooms help manage stress. They soothe the skin conditions, things like acne, rosacea, eczema can all see a really great improvement from this. It also protects against environmental stressors like pollution, UV rays, which will improve our skin's resilience and reduce further damage. For brightening and evening out our skin tone, the reishi mushrooms help brighten it and tighten it up. It also reduces a lot of that inflammation we might get just from day-to-day stuff. And it supports the skin's natural repair processes versus the types of products I used in the past, which really worked against my skin. The mushrooms make it a valuable addition to the nighttime skincare routine with all of these healing processes. As you can tell, it's packed with a lot of great ingredients, and we could go on and on about the sciencey stuff. The hyaluronic acid in here is great. It deeply hydrates the skin, making it feel softer, bouncier, and even more radiant. And the best part, this container is awesome. It has an airless pump, so there's never any waste of the product. This is also a refillable container, and our refills are $10 less. So as we sleep, the Hydrating Night Cream, it works tirelessly. It supports our skin's microbiome, it reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it even evens out our skin tone. In just a few weeks, you will definitely see a significant improvement in your skin. So if you start using this, you want to make sure you take before and after photos, take them in similar light and all the good stuff. I believe your skin will look softer, brighter, and those fine lines and wrinkles will be smoother. It's made with 91% bio-based content from renewable sources. This cream is not only good for our skin, but it's also better for the planet. It's dermatologist tested, it's vegan, cruelty-free, and honestly, the perfect addition to any clean beauty routine. I mean, I love it. It goes on nice. It feels wonderful. I'm going to get that neck. You apply the Hydrating Night Cream at night only, and I only use a half a pump. And I feel like that does just plenty of a good job for my skin. It spreads so nicely. It feels good. I love it. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to wake up, and when I look in the mirror, I'm going to know that I wore this tonight. So have a great night. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.